Hey guys, how are you? We are back, but this time we're back with the beautiful and lovely Francesca.
How's it going?
Welcome to my cooking show.
Thanks. Is it yours or mine?
Well, you know, as it says here, my wife thinks she's the boss, but we all know I am. Okay guys, so to recap, we have made a bunch of proteins. We made egg omelets, we made a tuna mix, we made chicken, we made steak, we made Greek yogurt, we made a bunch of stuff. Now we're gonna get into some carbohydrates for you that are healthy. So one, you're gonna grab your yams, you wanna rinse them. Don't take the skin off. The skin is the most important part, especially if you're gonna be having potatoes or any type of food that's got skin on it. That's the high fiber in it. We're gonna cut these up. We're gonna marinate them with some olive oil, some sea salt, maybe a bit of oregano if not, and we're gonna bake them in the oven. What you wanna do is always cut in half. You're gonna go your first round. Now cutting yams, I'm gonna get a smaller knife because I wanna be able to put more pressure in there. You wanna go one down the side, and then once you have one piece cut, you can go through and cut the remaining really easy. So when you're cutting up yams, you wanna go long strip. Again, you wanna get that claw grip in there. And if we're gonna be baking them, we wanna make them nice and thin. Okay, so nice and thin so they'll cook. I'm gonna go right down. Want me to go thinner?
Thinner, yes.
All right. Now the kids love these. You can barbecue them. You can boil yams if you want and make like a mashed yam salad, almost like mashed potatoes. I like them in the oven or in the air fryer. All they need is a little bit of olive oil, some sea salt, and it's a much, much healthier alternative version to French fries for your kids. Okay, so we're gonna throw these in here. Same thing with the other one. Now, depending on what you have cooking, we have stuff on the barbecue right now as we're speaking. We had some stuff in the oven. You can mix and match. You can wrap these up in tin foil, olive oil, salt and pepper, put them on the barbecue. They can cook. You can put them in the oven. Any way you look at them, they're gonna taste great. And again, when you're eating these the next day, all you gotta do is just warm them up and they're ready to go. You don't need to add dressings to them. They're really, really easy to make. Okay.
I'll start with the dressing. So we'll do some olive oil.
Okay, I'll cut an extra one since we're going.
About 2 tablespoons. And some salt.
You're gonna mix that bad boy up.
I'm gonna wait till you pour the other ones inside.
Okay. The good thing about yams is once you make them, they have a natural sweet taste to them. So you don't need sour cream. Your kids don't need to put other stuff on them, ketchups, mayonnaises. They taste really good on their own. They're very low glycemic carbohydrate. So what does that mean? That means it does not spike your blood sugar as fast as you having something like rice or a pasta. And the energy that this will yield is a nice, slow, starchy energy, which we need, especially for lunchtime, especially if you want to have a healthy carb for dinner. The thinner you make them, the easier it is for them to cook as well. So in total, it's been about 55 minutes in total from start time to currently. And I mean, cleaning the eggs, cleaning the meat, preparing the food, opening the cans of tuna, everything you name it. So this is simply gonna go in the oven for how long?
We're gonna cook them for about 30 minutes.
Perfect, 30 minutes. You wanna go in there, stir them around. If you wanna throw some sea salt on it, you can. But really, that's all it takes, guys. Putting them in the oven, getting them ready to go, and then eating them. Catch you in a little bit.